A Russian BM-27 Uragan multiple launch rocket system once again demonstrated its performance by brutally striking and destroying enemy positions in the Krasnoarmysk direction. Latest news from the Black Sea. A Ukrainian unmanned surface vehicle was detected by Russian forces while maneuvering in the waters of the Black Sea. Relying on drone reconnaissance technology, the Russian military quickly located the position of the kamikaze vessel. The unmanned craft's attempt to escape was unsuccessful. Surrounded from multiple directions, Russia launched an immediate attack. The USV was successfully neutralized, and shortly after, the vessel caught fire, eventually exploding in the middle of the sea. In the Ukrainian capital, a missile was spotted flying across the sky, followed moments later by a fiery explosion visible from afar. Additional footage captured the blast from another angle, showing the aftermath of the attack. The weapon was identified as a Ka-101 cruise missile, launched to strike a Ukrainian military facility in Belaya Kharkov, Kyiv region. Drone operators from the Novorossiysk Airborne Forces, specialists from the Rubicon Center, together with units from the South, East, and Dnepr groups, play a key role in frontline combat operations. Operating FPV-type drones with high precision, they target Ukrainian motor vehicles and armored units, destroy ground-based robotic complexes, and damage critical components of communication systems and fortification structures. The Russian armed forces launched a massive combined strike on military facilities across 15 Ukrainian regions. According to the report published in the Military News Telegram channel, the assault involved 500 to 650 drones, up to 55 missiles from Tu-95 bombers, as many as 8 Kalibr cruise missiles, 2 Kinzhal hypersonic missiles, and several Ka-59 precision weapons, a scale of firepower that once again underscores Russia's overwhelming strike capability. An unusual incident has occurred in the Chernihiv region. An electrical substation suffered serious damage due to a Russian Uragan UAV. Again, the 20th Army hunted down and destroyed a Ukrainian Humvee. An FPV drone locked onto the American-made armored vehicle, chased it down, and struck with pinpoint precision, leaving the target in flames. As reconnaissance UAVs from the 18th Combined Arms Army scanned the battlefield, Ka-52 helicopters swooped in with devastating precision. In the Kherson direction, a fortified Ukrainian stronghold was obliterated, along with the unit defending it. Another reminder that Russia's dominance in the skies leaves no sanctuary for the enemy. Explosions erupted. Not just a single blast, but a series of powerful detonations shaking the ground. The source of this destruction was soon revealed. The TOS-1 A-Sontsepiok, Russia's fearsome thermobaric multiple rocket launcher. Operated by artillerymen of the Southern Group of Forces, the system was deployed to provide overwhelming fire support during the offensive in the Konstantinovka direction. The strike unleashed a wave of fire and pressure, engulfing everything within its range. As a result, 3 Ukrainian UAV control points were obliterated under the heavy barrage. In the Dnepropetrovsk region, aerial footage captured multiple explosions erupting across an open field, striking several points in quick succession. The area came under heavy attack from operators of the Mad Dogs Brigade, using artillery fire and FAB bombs. The concentrated strike was directed at entrenched enemy positions, delivering significant damage and disrupting Ukrainian forces operating in the sector. In the Zaporizhzhia and Sumy regions, Russian forces carried out strikes using FAB-500 and FAB-3000 bombs, destroying 2 Ukrainian positions. The strikes significantly weakened local defenses, disrupting Ukraine's ability to reinforce or hold the positions. On the day of September 26th, the Russian Air Force fired a Kh-38 missile at an old, derelict, abandoned building. It turned out to be a Ukrainian UAV control post south of Volchansk in Kharkov, so as Russia Army hit this building, used their missile. From the video released on September 27th, it can be seen that incidents involving FAB bombs with UMPK modules were struck at Ukrainian army positions on several fronts, in Kherson region, in Pokrovsk in the DNR, as well as in Volchansk in the Kharkov region. From Kherson, this is the latest update on the Russia-Ukraine conflict. A series of explosions has rocked the city of Kherson. Russian forces launched an attack using multiple launch rocket systems, known for their immense destructive power. A barrage of rockets struck several locations in the city, destroying infrastructure and causing widespread damage. Rare panoramic footage from Konstantinovka captures the aftermath of Russian artillery and drone strikes tearing into the enemy's rear. Thick black smoke rises high into the sky, marking the destruction of Ukrainian positions and equipment. Russian forces successfully eliminated a Ukrainian 2S-3 Akatsiya self-propelled gun with a precise FPV drone strike in the Special Military Operations Zone. From above, the footage shows the drone closing in before impact. A split second later, the Ukrainian artillery erupts in flames, reduced to wreckage by Russia's unmanned hunters. Targets were locked, and moments later, precision strikes were delivered. The objective was the 330 kV Nezhin substation, a critical facility in the area. Russian forces employed Garand drones to carry out the attack, striking the site with accuracy. From the military news channel, a video shows footage taken from the air and shows multiple explosions that occurred in Zaporizhzhia direction. This incident's recorded when operators of the B-4 drones from the 4th Military Base of the Russian Armed Forces overcome the enemy's electronic warfare and destroy positions, artillery, ammunition depots, and Ukrainian troops' bases. In the direction of Siversk, a French FAB armored personnel carrier is seen underway, and a Russian UAV is slowly but surely flying towards it to destroy it. Totally, 2 French FAB armored personnel carriers and a Ukrainian pickup truck were destroyed, according to this footage. On September 28th, Russian satellites footage showing several large explosions in an urban complex. These explosions were caused by the Russian Air Force dropping FAB bombs on Ukrainian positions in Konstantinovka. That's all for today's update. Thanks for watching, and don't miss our upcoming videos.